Hi and welcome back to the Lunar Academy YouTube channel. In this video today we are going to talk about the top Web3 marketing courses out there. To start off, my name is Tim and I'm the CEO of Lunar Strategy. We recently launched our own Web3 Marketing Academy called Lunar Academy. Today we're going to go into a little bit what Web3 marketing is, and then we're going to go into the top 2 courses that are out there in the market. So to start off, what does it mean with Web3 marketing? So Web2 marketing was the more traditional marketing that came out of the social media era, but now when we are coming into the Web3, which is the web of value and the web of decentralization, as well as adding coins and tokens into the mix, this has created a lot of new marketing strategies and tools that are needed in order to succeed. A lot of traditional marketers are now trying to go into the Web3 world. However, with a lot of the more traditional strategies, it's very hard to succeed in the long term and build up a Web3 community. So the first course that we're going to go into today is called Lunar Academy. This is a full scope course that was created by Lunar Strategy. The goal is with the course is to improve the Web3 marketing standard, and the course is coming from the full marketing team at Lunar Strategy, and what it's built into is the head of each department is having the course about their department. As an example, our head of partnerships comes in and in the academy talks about how can you build a partnership with another company in the Web3 world. On the paid advertising side, we have our head of paid ads that will talk about policies that are in the crypto world. How can you get your ads up and running? If they're disapproved, how can you do it? And so on. So the course also digs into public relations, social media, how you can grow a community, strategy, planning and prices in Web3. There's a lot of differences between Web3 and more traditional industries because the prices are often quite a lot higher. But so in the one about prices, we go into some more example. The course is built up as a digital course, so you can do it at your own pace. I will include the link to the course here in the video, so you can just check it out below. Then we have the other academy that is coming from Hype Partners. It's called Third Academy. It's a Web3 Marketing 101 course. Here they have a free course where they basically cover everything basic when it comes to Web3 marketing. They go into partnerships, influencers, storytelling, NFTs, token launch strategies, community engagement, developer relations, marketing, and crypto trends. And then after the course, they kind of use the course to find talented people that they then collaborate with other partners so that people can get, for example, a job after the course. So they offer the 3 months job placement support after you have done the full course at the Hype Third Academy. So these are the 2 top Web3 marketing courses out there. You can read more about them using the link here in the video. If you have any other questions, you can also join our Web3 Discord server. The link will also be in the description below. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions, put it in the comment.